is the Acuity DTL Connect Series photo cell. It's what our utility company that we work for uses. It saves them a lot of money on disconnects and reconnects, especially with the LEDs. You can't just unscrew the bulb like you could back in the day with the HID lights. Safety first. Truck's messy. Been a busy day. Remember, before you do anything, get on your gloves. By the end of the day, they're pretty hard to get on because they're so sweaty, even with the powder that we put in them. Let's figure out what's going on. Looks like a pretty new wire right there, so we'll reuse this. This light fixture is going to be very, very hot. Since this is a stranded wire, I'm just going to put a little tape over it just so I can't hit anything while I'm working. The new LED lights, the ground runs directly to the head, not the arm. So that's the only reason I cut that off. Also, before I pull the head off, hit it just in case if there's some dart knobbers or anything like that in there, which is very common. It loosens everything up. I try to take that down in as many and the least amount of pieces possible. I tie on the old head right here on my insulated hook. So look at the dart knobbers that no, that's wasp. Normally these arms, when you pull the light out, normally stuff just comes flying out. Normally I untangle these and get them all straight on the ground. I don't know what I was thinking. Just so they push through a little easier. I'll loosen this up all the way, just so I can push on the arm all the way. What's awesome about these new LED lights is you can literally just one-hand them up there. Just put a little pressure on it just so I can get it straight and level. It's not going anywhere. Now time to wire everything up. Get my my neutral, my ground. Do them first. If there was a copper ground ran on this pole, I would just tie to it with the split bolt, but there's not one. It's just a lift pole. Go ahead and normally strip everything just to get it all over with. Well, the last wire I strip is the hot coming in. I do personally tape the neutral just because, you know, it's extra security just to make sure it doesn't come apart. And a lot of guys that don't do it, but I just think it's that much more security of, let's say, the wind blowing it apart or anything like that. Just tape her up. Remember, 4 layers. I'm being watched. I got an audience. How are you? We're replacing your security light.
It stays on all the time.
Yes, ma'am. That's why we're replacing it. So I got you a new one. Last one for the day now. Time to clean out the bucket.